I'm going to show you how to make holiday eggless nog, but really you can make it any time of year because it's so delicious. You know, traditional eggnog is made with many unhealthy, high fat, high calorie ingredients like heavy cream, egg yolks, lots of sugar, alcohol. This doesn't have any of it. So we're going to start in the blender with your favorite non-dairy milk. Mine happens to be unsweetened vanilla, but you do whatever non-dairy milk you prefer. And then I'm going to add a secret ingredient, which is white sweet potatoes. These are known by many different names depending on where you live. They're sometimes called Hannah yams, patata, Jersey sweet potatoes, but they are this color on the inside and they're beige on the outside. And it's important that you roast them. Don't microwave them or steam them because when you roast sweet potatoes, you bring out the natural sugar and caramelization, and they are so insanely sweet, and they have a subtle vanilla flavor. You don't want to use the purple ones or the orange ones. Delicious for eating in this because it won't look and taste like eggnog. If you can't find the white sweet potatoes, the Japanese would be a close second. So I batch cook these because I eat these almost every day for lunch, and then I will just freeze them in 1 or 2 cup servings. So when I have recipes that call for them, I have them already made. So I'm going to add this to the blender with my bananas. Now, these bananas are room temperature. Everything else is cold. If you want it really thick, like a milkshake, have your bananas frozen. Make sure they're ripe, though, because that's where the sweetness is coming from, in addition to the sweet potatoes. The riper the banana, the sweeter your drink will be. And then my seasonings, which are ground nutmeg and pure vanilla bean powder. My mom used to make alcohol-free eggnog when we were little. She used something called rum extract, imitation rum extract. If you don't mind things that are a little bit chemically and unnatural, you could put like a 1/4 teaspoon in here. And when I've done that at parties, people actually were getting drunk thinking it was really alcohol. So I always start my blender on low and then increase it. And that's it. Seconds to make. And even with the banana not being frozen, just because those Hannah yams are so thick and creamy, you can see the texture when I pour it. Look at that. Oh. And the nutmeg and the vanilla powder just give it that little eggnog-like flavor that it needs. If you have fresh nutmeg, you can grate it on top or just use the ground nutmeg. And I think you'll love this holiday eggless nog.